Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. Today, I'll walk you through how to add photos to a Google Drive folder on your iPhone. This process is straightforward, as long as you have an internet connection and access to the folder you're working with. Sometimes it's a personal folder, but other times it might be a shared folder through a link, and you'll need certain permissions. But let's say the folder is yours for now. Here's how to do it. First, open up the Google Drive app on your iPhone. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the folder where you want to add your photos. If you don't already have a folder, you can create a new one by tapping the plus button, selecting Folder, and giving it a name. Once you're in the folder you want, tap the plus button again. From the menu that appears, select Upload, and then choose Photos and Videos. This will take you to your iPhone's photo library, where you can browse and select the photos you want to upload. Once you've made your selections, tap Upload in the top right corner. The upload will start immediately, and those photos will be added to your Google Drive folder, accessible from any device logged into your Google account. Now, if the folder is shared with you through a link rather than being your personal folder, the steps are almost the same. However, you need to pay attention to the permissions that come with the link. In some cases, you may only have viewing access, which means you won't be able to upload anything to the folder. If you find you can't add photos, double-check the permissions or reach out to the folder owner if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you later.